Good day, sir. I am John Michael Arcales and
I am Christian Jacob Biggas.
journey through time, the story of computers. Embark a journey through the evolution of computers. Explore the milestone, the invention, discover how this invention have space on a modern digital world. From mechanical marvels to the age of mobile computing, join us. The mechanical dawn explore the origin of computation before the electronic age. Discovered the abacus and an ancient calculation tools. Then discovered Babbage engine mechanical marvels. This invention led to the foundation of the modern computing. The electronic evolution begins 1930s to 1940s. The witness the birth of electronic computing during the World War II. The cultures encoded in nasal codes and a performance complex calculation just as mechanics away from for the digital computer. The transistor era 1950s, the invention of the transistor revolution electronics. Transistor replaced bullet from vacuum tubes to lead to smaller, more than reliable computers. Commercially made computers accessible into business.
The integrated circuit in 1960s. The integrated circuit or microchip emerged. It combined multiple transistors on a single chip. This breakthrough enabled further miniaturization. Computer power increased exponentially. Number 1. Multiple transistor. Combined transistor on a chip. Number 2. Mini precision. Enable smaller device. Number 3. Increased power. Expanded computing capabilities. In 1970s, the microprocessor integrated an entire CPU on a single chip. Personal computers emerged, bringing computing to homes. Apple, IBM, and Microsoft started during this period. Number 1. CPU on a chip. Number 2. Personal computers. Number 3. Home computing. Internet age in 1980s and 1990s. Networking connected computers globally. The Internet emerged as a public network. The World Wide Web revolutionized information access, email, and online communication, transformed society. Number 1. Global connection. Computers connected worldwide. Number 2. Public network. The Internet emerged. Number 3. WWW revolutionized information computing in 20s present. Mobile computing revolutionized access to information. Cloud computing enabled scalable service. Artificial intelligence in transforming industries. Quantum computing promises unprecedented power. Mobile computing access to information anytime. Cloud computing enable scalable services. Artificial intelligence transforming industry.